Hi children, I welcome back once again. Today in this period, we are going to learn some part of the grammar, right? That is articles. Articles. Your teacher might have told you before it, what are the articles? How many kinds of articles are there? What are their uses? Where the articles are used, right? And where is which article used? This your teachers might have told you before it, right? Once again, let us revise the chapter if you could not understand. Okay, now students, I know when you are in the class, you are being disturbed by different situations in the class. Okay, now you are individual at home. Listen carefully, sit properly, don't be disturbed. Concentrate on the topic, you will never forget in the life, right? Use of articles. Okay, students, I think all of you know there are different kinds of articles. What are they? Definite article and indefinite article, right? Definite article and indefinite article. Many students, they think there are three kinds of articles. Many students think a and the means three kinds of articles. A and the, that is wrong. Okay. There are two kinds of articles, definite article and indefinite article. Okay. Definite article and indefinite article. What is definite article? The. Indefinite article a or an. Right, a or an. Now say, when these articles are used, why it is called a definite article? Definite means a particular. Definite means particular. It indicates only one thing, one. Okay, the particular thing, right? The sky, only one sky, unique. The moon, only one moon. The earth, the man who I met yesterday, repeated action. The Mahabharata, holy books. The Ramayana, holy books. The guitar, instruments. You see, to indicate the particularity, the definite article is used. Okay? But before that, let us see what are the uses of indefinite article. Students, all of you know that in your lower classes you are taught a and the. Okay. Now, let us go with some other examples. Your teacher taught you in lower classes A, E, I, O, U. What are you taught here? A, E, I, O and U. What are they? What is the set of A, E, I, O, U is called? Very good. That is called vowels. Vowels. Okay? Vowels. Right? Now, what do you call the rest of the words or letters in the alphabet? Rest of the letters in the alphabet, what do you call here? Very good. Consonants. Consonant. What are the consonants? You see B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. How many are these here? 21. 21 consonant and 5 vowels. The total 26 letters in alphabet. Okay na? Right. Is the alphabet here one alphabet 26 letters. Out of 26, 5 vowels, 21 consonants. Right? Clear? Now, while learning the use of articles, let us think for a while. Right? When you are going to use a and when you are going to use an. Okay. Use of a article. Use of a article. ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తారు? Number 1. When the noun begins with consonant. Consonant later. You see, these are consonant later. You guys said a bat, a cat, a donkey, a fan, a girl, a hat, a jackpot, a king, a lemon, a man, a knot. No. A net, a parrot, a queen, a rat, a soap, a tube, a van, a water bottle. Here, why? A yacht, a zebra. I didn't give example of X. Okay, right. Why? I will explain later. Come to the point. When the noun begins with the consonant later, we have to use a article. Okay, na? Example, a table. You see, this noun begins with the consonant table, T. A man, a cat, right, etc. Clear? Again, there is another rule when you are going to use a article. Number 2. When the noun begins with consonant later but sounds like a vowel. Okay. Means it begins with one of the consonant. But its sound is like a vowel. Then you have to use a article. Okay. Example, you see, university. Sorry. When the noun begins with the consonant, you see R. Sorry, it goes with the vowel later. Now correct. Sounds like a consonant. Okay. When the noun begins with the vowel letter but sounds like a consonant, Example you see, university. University. You see, this is a vowel sound. This is a vowel letter. Vowel letter you see, A, I, O, U, vowel letter. But it pronunciation is a ya in Telugu, you. Okay. How to write here? Anki U. University. In your Telugu, U is a consonant. Okay. That's why you have to use here A. A university. A uniform. A uniform. A unicorn. A unicorn. Okay. A unicorn. A European. A European. A European. A-U-R-O-P-A-N. European. Europe. Okay. A European, etc. Means you see, these all nouns begin with vowels, right? But the sound is, the pronunciation is like a consonant. Then you have to use a sound, a article. Okay, arthamenda. Now see once again. When the noun begins with consonant letter, then you have to use a article. Consonant letters. Okay. When the noun begins with a vowel letter, but sounds like a consonant. You see, vowel letter, but sounds like a consonant. Then you have to use article A. Arthamenda? Now, when you have to use an article. An article. Now you see, vice versa. Previously we have seen a article. Now let us see with an article. First condition, when opposite of the a article, when the noun begins with vowel letter, use an article. Use an article. Example you see, an umbrella. An umbrella. An elephant. An orange. An orange. An eagle. An eagle. You see, these all nouns begins with vowel letters. Then you are using an article. Is it? Okay. Can you add some examples in it? You add yourself. Write at least more 5 examples later. Okay? Right. Now second rule you see, when the noun begins with consonant but it sounds like consonant sound, vowel sound. Then you have to use an article. Example you see, an R. An R. You see, H is consonant later. But while pronunciation of R, you have to use not hover, it is R. R means A is a vowel sound. That's why you have to use an R. An honesty, an honest man, an honest man. Okay, these are some examples of use of an. Though the word begins with the consonant later but sounds like a vowel, then you have to use an. Right? Okay? Very good. Next, let us see use of the article. Use of the article. The means a definite article. The article means definite article, particular article. Okay? Right. And see, when you are going to use the article, use of the article. Okay, now number 1, to indicate the unique or universal thing or universal accept or aspect or actions. To indicate the unique or universal action, the sky, it is a unique one. Example, the sky, the moon. Right, the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. The direction, okay, you can use before direction. The east, the south, the north, the west, before directions. Example, the east, the west, the south, the north, before the holy book, before the holy book, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Buddha and his Dhamma, the Tripitaka, the Gita, okay, the Bible, the Quran, whatever may be, right, before the holy books. Fourth, as I told, before the universal or unique, before the unique things, before the rivers, before the oceans, before the mountains, before the plateaus, right, unique one, you have to use the article. Or when the action is repeated, to indicate that the action is repeated. To indicate that the action is repeated. You see, if I said this, example, this is the man who I met in a zoo yesterday. Yes, means you see, previous day you went to the zoo, you saw the man there. Again he came to your hometown, but you saw the same man in your town that you have seen yesterday in the zoo. Okay. This is the boy who helped me in exam hall. Cheyakandi. Right. This is the boy who helped me in exam hall. Okay. Means while you are writing examination, you saw that boy, he helped you by giving pen, not cheats. Okay. Not answers, pen. And when you came out and when you went to the market, at the time you saw the same boy who helped in examination by giving the pen. Right. Then you can say, dad, this is the boy who helped me in exam hall. Means action is repeated. Okay na? The boy is repeated again, then you have to use different article. Again see, before the instruments you have to use the article definitely. Before the rivers, the Godavari, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Krishna, the Kaveri, okay, the Mahanadi, the Tapti, the Narmada. Before the names of rivers you have to use it. Right. The Himalaya, okay, the Satpura, Parvat, okay, mountain. You have to use the article before it. Okay na? And in this way, you have to use articles in your examination when you are asked. Okay, students? I hope you understood this part of articles. Okay, in this period, if you want to know more information or if you have any doubt, please refer grammar books. Okay, I gave this method, easy method to understand, and if you have still some doubts, read any grammar book, refer any grammar book. If you could not, then call to the management, they will call me and I will clarify doubts. Okay, students? Very good. Now, in next period, let us go with another part of the syllabus. Till that, have a nice day.